Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my family's mango curry recipe. I personally love mangoes and curry, so what could be better than combining both of these things? Now, I know that cooking any type of curry can be a bit daunting, but I was actually surprised at how easy it was to make this. So for the ingredients, you are going to need a couple of things: brown sugar, masala, curry powder, geera, chili powder, salt, chicken cubes, chili peppers, blended up garlic, onions, and peppers, monosodium glutamate, some oil, and some hot water. And of course, it wouldn't be mango curry without some half-ripe mangoes. Now, don't worry if you weren't able to write down any of those ingredients, because all of the ingredients plus the measurements are in the description box below. So let's jump right into the recipe. I'm going to start by mixing together the blended up garlic, onion, and pepper seasoning with my curry powder, masala, jeera, and chili powder, and then I'm going to mix it until it resembles a paste. I'm going to use this mixture for my chunke. This chunke helps to infuse the mangoes with flavor. I also spoke about the process of chunking your seasonings for your curry in my bunjay chicken video, which I'll also put a link to in the description box below. But in short, chunking is when you mix these ingredients together and put them in the hot oil to cook before adding your fruits or your meats. Once my oil is hot, I'm going to go ahead and add my chunky mixture and stir it into the oil. I'm also going to go in with my chili peppers and keep that stirring for about a minute. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my mangoes. A note about the mangoes is that I chopped and steamed them for 30 minutes prior to adding them to the pot. I'm going to give that a stir so that the curry marries with the mango. After that, I'm going to go in with my salt, my monosodium glutamate, and my chicken cube, which I'm going to sprinkle all over my curry, and once again, I'm going to stir that in. Then I'm going to go in with some brown sugar. Now, after tasting my curry, I did end up adding more brown sugar because I prefer my mango curry to be on the sweeter side rather than on the spicy side. But this is totally up to you because it's a matter of preference. I'm going to give that a stir for about 1 minute before adding 1 cup of hot water. Now, the reason that I'm adding this cup of water is because I wanted to have a gravy that would absorb all of the chunky mixture to give it a nice juicy taste. I'm now going to let it cook for about 12 minutes, half covered and on a medium heat. Now that it's been 12 minutes, I'm going to check on my curry. But just so that you know, even before the 12-minute mark, it's a good idea to check on your curry here and there and give it a stir to make sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot because it can burn if this happens. So my curry is done, it's dried down, and I'm going to take it off of the heat. If your curry still has a lot of water, all you have to do is lower the heat and leave it uncovered for a little to dry down. As you can see here, my curry has a beautiful caramel color, and unlike when we first added in the water, the curry has now become more thick instead of watery. So that's an indication that it's all done and ready to be eaten. So there you have it, your mango curry recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, turn on your post notifications, and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.